To allow alternate smart switch to set alarms and schedule action, in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps. Next, tap apps more icon or three dot icon, select special access, and then scroll down the screen, tap alarms and reminders, scroll down alarms and reminders screen, find smart switch, and then on smart switch, tap switch until blue to allow smart switch to set alarm and schedule action, or tap switch until gray to deny. Okay, if you enable or tap switch until blue, smart switch can set alarms and schedule action. Allowing a smart switch to do this may increase battery use. If not allowed, app may not function normally, and their alarms won't work as scheduled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.